Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am teacher Sarita. Today I am going to share you some of the effective tips to write exam. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, press the bell notification and you can share with your friends. So let's start. How to write effective exam. Some of the tips I am giving you. Plan your time, understand questions deeply, structure the answer with a clear introductions, body points and conclusion. That is, you have to write conclusion by using the bullet points or paragraphs as needed. Write legibly and use examples. That is, examples you have to write, diagram. Then your language should be simple and understandable. Always save time to review for the errors. Keep time to check your errors. Start with easy questions to build confidence and focus on clear presentation, which aids examiners and can even earn practical credit. Now, key takeaway points, that is, presentation is crucial. Good structure and clarity helps examiners and can even get your marks for slightly incorrect answers. So focus on making your paper easy to read and understand. Then it comes to a time management. Maintain a steady pace. Do not get stuck on one difficult question. Explain your work, especially in math, sign, explain variables and steps in equation. Answer all parts. Ensure you have covered all aspects of answer using bullet points for clarity in different based question. Review. Double check for mistakes, misused questions or missing answers on the back pages. Use visuals. Incorporate diagrams, flowcharts, or tables where appropriate to explain the concepts. By making this diagram, it will create attraction to the examiner to check it. Handwriting. Write neatly and don't messy script can cost marks. That is, you should write neatly. It should be presentable that examiner will happy and it will give you marks. Time management. Maintain a steady pace. Do not get stuck on one difficult question. Explain your work that I told you earlier. Now, before the exam, what you have to do, read the whole paper, get an overview and plan your time for all questions. Choose question wisely. Start with one you know best or feel most confident about. And during exam, what you have to do, understand the question. That is, identify keywords and instructions to address exactly what asked. Plan your answer. Outline main points before writing to ensure a logical flow. Then structure. Use a clear introduction body with a strong points first and conclusion. Be clear and concise. Means it should be simple and understandable. So I hope you will understood how to write. I have shared that before exam what you have to do, during the exam what you have to do, and how to write the exam when you're writing the exam, what you have to do. So all the best for the exam. This exam will be great for you. I hope you will do good and you will pass out with flying colors. Thank you. Take care and bye.